To find out the relationship between the densities of A, B and F, we'll first draw the free body diagrams of spheres A and B. The forces acting on sphere A are buoyant force acting vertically upwards, tension force acting vertically downwards, and MAG acting vertically downwards. Similarly, drawing the free body diagram for sphere B, the forces acting on it are buoyant force and tension force acting vertically upwards, and MBG acting vertically downwards. As the complete system is in equilibrium, balancing the forces in vertical direction, we get F is equal to T plus MAG. And for the second body, F plus T is equal to MBG. Solving both these equations simultaneously, we get F is equal to MA plus MB into G upon 2. Here F is the buoyant force, which is given by F is equal to the volume of the sphere into density of the fluid, that is V into dF. Also, MA is equal to V into dA, where V is the volume of sphere A and dA is its density. Similarly, MB is equal to V into dB. Substituting the values of MA, MB and F in this equation, we get dF is equal to dA plus dB upon 2. Therefore, option D is correct. Now looking at the diagram, it is clear that the density of sphere B is greater than the density of sphere A, that is dB is greater than dA. Also, according to equation 1, as dF is the mean of dA and dB and dB is greater than dA, using both these we get dB is greater than dF and dA is less than dF. Therefore, option A, B, D are the correct answers.